If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. You can insert pictures you have saved to your computer or local network into publications in Publisher. For example, if you were creating a newsletter and wanted to insert a picture from a recent meeting or event you had saved to your computer, you could easily do that in Publisher. However, before you do this, ensure you know within which folder on your computer the picture to insert is located. You will need to know this information to locate and then insert the picture. To insert a picture from your computer or local network into a publication page in Publisher, once you know where the picture to insert is located, click the Insert tab in the ribbon. Then click the Pictures button in the Illustrations button group to open the Insert Picture dialog box. Use this dialog box to navigate to the folder that contains the picture to insert. Once you see the picture to insert appear in the large white window within this dialog box, click it to select it. Then click the Insert button at the bottom of the dialog box. The picture you selected is then inserted into your publication. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.